Press this code button to create a code cell for calculating Python and other programming languages. Enter a Python expression in this code cell and press the play button or hold Shift and press Enter to evaluate the expression and insert the resulting value at the bottom of the cell. Let's do a calculation for 1 plus 1. Type 1 plus 1 in the next cell and press Shift plus Enter. You will get the output result in the next code cell like this. Next, let's calculate 7 to 2. Represents a subtraction. It is the same as the minus sign in mathematics. Let's calculate 7 by 2. Represents multiplication. Note that this is different from the mathematical symbol. Let's calculate 7 squared in the same way. The represents a power. Note that this is also different from the mathematical symbols. In this way, Google Collaboratory can use Python instead of a calculator. Plus represents addition, needless to say. If you rewrite the formula appropriately and then hold down Shift and press Enter, the rewritten formula is evaluated and the value under the cell is replaced by the result. For example, try rewriting the 2 above as 100 to find the 100th power of 7. What about division? In Python, division is represented by an integer division by. Returns an integer value with the fractional part truncated. The result of between integers is an integer. To find the remainder of integer division, use another operator, %. The result of % between integers is an integer. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe.